change the date on your Windows 11, you need to go to Start first of all and type date or time. Click on date and time setting as shown. A new window will pop up. After that, scroll down and click on additional clocks. Now you can see that date and time, you can change it from here. Click on date and time and change date and time. It shows the calendar along with the clock, analog clock. Click on change calendar setting, and from here on there are different options that you can select. In my opinion, I select day, month and year as short date, and it's up to you that you can change first day of the week, but I will keep it as it is. I can also change it to hour, minute, because I prefer the 24-hour format. After doing the required changes, click on apply and you can see that it has changed the format. So that's how you can change your date and time format in Windows 11. So that's pretty much it. Hope you like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.